all the neighbors will be at their window and then salute to the uncle.
好嗎？
Yeah.
Good
Salute
job.
him, salute
National Day
him.
哈，每個 uncle
Give
出
their
來
thumbs up.
要風咧
Yes,
not
yes,
alone.
yes.
哇
Correct.
Welcome to our another episode of The Real Talk. Okay, why today we will come together again and then to film this is because there's a breaking news.
That's right.
Another, record high 5-room HDB that was sold in Dawson at 1.73.
Wow. Draw.
I tell you, the last time when we did the episode, we say HDB, maybe you reach 2 million. I think maybe, yes, it's very, very soon. Coming soon.
Akang tatang.
Yeah, maybe after this episode, another news come out. 2 million already. Okay, let's talk about this white house.
I believe you all read throughout all the news media and all this. So this is a 5-room flat on a very high floor, 45 floor.
Fantastic, man.
Fantastic view.
What a view.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm sure the view is
we've
superb.
seen some units down there. I friend's house. What the
Correct.
view.
So size-wise is about 111 square meter, if I remember correctly. So everyone knows it's at Dawson Sky Oasis. This is a normal unit, not a got high
Loft.
loft.
Nothing
and things like
special.
that. Nothing special.
Oh, wow.
Other than the view is special. Yes.
So this unit is asking for 1.8 million back then on Property Guru. And the owner is a Singaporean and bought under SIRS. So what SIRS means actually is like Selective En Bloc Redevelopment Scheme by HDB. So the whole idea is to refresh the older HDB estate. But this HDB also mentioned that not all the old HDB will have enjoyed SIRS.
Yes. So
Wow.
it's very little chance.
Yeah, don't be too bullish over it.
But actually this block also have an MOP. Then not even 5 years, how come this uncle can sell?
So like what Jackie mentioned, right? SIRS allowed the owners to sell the unit after 7 years from registration or 5 years from the date of key collection, which is the normal MOP period.
Yeah.
So in this case, actually the seller is allowed to sell 7 years from the registration, meaning actually the registration will be sometime in 2017.
Yes.
So plus
You
like
plus another
7 years, actually now is about the time,
2024.
right?
Yeah.
So meaning all the SIRS owner in the estate will have the first bite on the cherry before the whole estate MOP. Yeah,
The
so they
cherry
can
must
sell
be sweet.
before the whole estate MOP. And the official MOP date for the estate will likely to be in another 2 to 3 years time.
Before you continue,
Yeah.
because we sell quite a fair bit of houses in the central area.
Yeah.
There's also like a lot of elderly that went through SIRS. You realize the upper floor like this case mostly are SIRS one. The
Because
SIRS one very smart one
do
They
they
can
have
choose
the
the
priority?
high floor.
Do they
huh?
have the
can
priority
select first.
queue
Yeah, they go
before?
in.
Yes.
Oh, okay, no wonder.
So this uncle also, we queue number small, then go inside like that. Oh,
But this
530,
owner also, I
45.
think, got some money lah. If
Yeah,
Then you can choose this level 45,
Normally,
right?
SIRS won't go for 5-room lah.
True.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this SIRS owner will have the advantage over the other neighbors.
Correct.
So coming back to just now what I say, a lot of SIRS owner will go for higher floor, right? So in the market, you also realize that if you go for those central and there's SIRS project going on, right, in the past, you realize that the upper floor, right, usually have a lesser chance of selling in the market.
Yes.
Because the elderly, they take already.
Oh,
They usually don't sell.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
that's right.
that's why MOP in this kind of cluster, we realize is the middle floor
Or the
lower
lower
stacks,
floor.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
yeah.
很少
Makes
也是
sense.
等到这
Makes
uncle
sense.
like really
Makes
like
sense.
wow, yeah, too attractive lah.
So actually now I feel you can imagine this seller when he walks around the estate. All the neighbors will be at their window and then salute to the uncle.
好嗎？
Yeah.
Good
Salute
job.
him lah,
National
salute
Day
him.
哈，每個 uncle
Give their
出來
thumbs up.
要風咧
Yes,
not
yes,
alone.
yes.
哇
Correct. Like what Jackie mentioned, right? 2 years later, this whole cluster will MOP. So we are expecting the rest of the units in this cluster, right, to be selling. I mean, normal logical cases, it should be above
than-
1.7.
Yeah.
Actually have
makes
an
sense.
MOP. Sometimes,
Yes.
we know that you check the past transaction. It's not shown, right?
Is it not sure?
Yeah,
Before
it's
MOP
not shown.
cluster.
Oh, okay.
So this one, actually no need to see, no need to check. The whole Singapore knows.
Yes.
It's not a secret anymore.
Really highly likely because this may push even more SIRS owners to sell their current place. Right? Like, let's say I put myself in their shoes. If I'm on the mid floor, not say 45 lah. Okay, I'm 20 something or 30 something. I will still call at least 1.5 to 1.6 million to sell. Right?
Reasonable.
Still a good
Reasonable.
Yeah. But of course, if let's say everyone like what Jackie mentioned all come out to sell, then there is supply and demand imbalance.
Oversupply.
Yes.
Okay.
So there might be price competition. So each one compete on, mine is slightly lower floor, then mine is cheaper and things like that. But
then they must have AGM lah, like the private AGM. Hey, okay, today
Maybe
which floor
they
sell
should,
first?
yeah.
Don't all come together become a supply issue.
So it might take longer to sell. But of course, if let's say the trend still carry on like what we are having this year, right? Economy get better, interest rate drop and things like that. Prices might even go higher.
Yeah, actually that I totally agree. So those like owners who are looking to upgrade, so don't wait any longer before the price, your price out of it.
Based on stats, right? So this half of the year, right? This half year, right? We are already seeing $421 million flats.
Wow.
Transacted.
Wow.
Already.
Last year,
Yeah. So compared to last year, it's 470. So
last year, one whole year, 470.
Yes.
Now only
we are
half
near
the year.
and
already
we will
421.
definitely surpass last year, I believe.
Wow.
Definitely.
Yeah, it
If
could double also.
my math is correct, one day 2 million, two numbers of million dollar HDB was sold.
Yes, like highly likely.
Yes.
So people who think sit on the fence, think price will drop. So I think the key thing in buying house is not wait. Because 时间不等人, okay?
True.
Buying house is, we always tell any family that meet us, is about affordability.
Yes.
Must know your numbers and then buy within your reach. So if just want to open up a question to you, do you think that government will implement 这个 Singapore 不喜欢的 any more cooling measures for our HDB? So you can comment below. So main takeaway for today's session is not to yes lah, it's a wild thing, 1.73. I also happy for the uncle. Okay, maybe the next episode is 2 million. but main thing is really coming back that what we have mentioned just now, like buying house. Don't time the market. Don't wait for the market. Say, hey, the location is good. I just wait for it to drop. Maybe a bit.
Wait for prices to come down.
Yeah. So if you really need a home, it's very essential for the family. Don't work out your affordability using our PFD method. And then so that you will know what is your bandwidth, then within your budget, you can find your dream home.
Yes.
And we also have our 7-step framework to actually tell you which property actually give you a high potential but low risk. All right? Anything for you?
If the market were to drop, likely because of financial crisis, I don't think you're there to buy the house also.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So when time is good, we all don't want to. We all wanted to wait for the price to come down. But when the price really come down,
then you don't dare to buy.
Then you don't dare to buy.
Then 人也老了. Your tenure also dropped already. So then so the key thing.
So work out the numbers. You feel good. You feel safe. Then you can go ahead. Yes.
That's right.
All right. This is Joy.
Caleb from Property Mom.
And Jackie from Avenue 88.
And we will
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.